Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can automate introductions in SmartMatchApp. It won't only save your time, but it will actually help you send hundreds of introductions with just one person in the team. So for this video, I prepared one simple automation that will do this, so you can probably copy it to your account and apply your own conditions and settings. Here we see two workflows. The first workflow will turn suggestions to matches, and the second workflow will send an email to your client once the match is created. Now we're going to go and check conditions and settings for the first workflow. So the first action is search suggestions for client. Our system will automatically search for suggestions, but we applied a certain condition here. So only clients who are belonging to this list, the action will work only for them. And the second action is turn suggestions to matches. So here we applied some settings. Maximum number to create is 3. Preferred match percentage is more than 75. And the match group will be active introductions. So this is the match group where this match will go. We're going to save this. We're going to go back. Now we're going to open the second workflow. And here we see very simple workflow. So it's only one action. Send email to a client. So once the match is being created, the email will be sent to your client. If you click on settings, here you can create a nice looking email template. And if we go to conditions, here we can apply additional condition that we want. And that's basically it. We're gonna turn it on. As you can see now that it's active. And we're gonna go to our email, and here we can see nice looking email template with a link to the introduction. Introduction is going to look something like this. And yeah, that's basically it. On your client side, nothing changes, but on your side, you will save so much time. You can do this with only one person in the team. And yeah, let us know if you like this approach more than the old school manual approach. And stay tuned for more product videos that are coming soon. Bye bye.